Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video of Current Affairs YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the top 50 important current affairs questions and answers of the week from 5th April 2021 to 11th April 2021. Okay, you can download the PDF file of this section of our Telegram group and can also join our Telegram group for more study materials. Okay, we'll give the link in the description given below. You can check that and download the PDF. Okay, let's start the section. First question. Which country has developed the world's first COVID-19 vaccine for animals? Okay, here the answer for the question is Russia. Okay, Russia has developed the world's first COVID-19 vaccine for animals. Okay, in this video, we are not discussing the answer explanations because we have already done the answer explanation for all these 50 questions in our daily kind of question answer video. If you want to watch that video, I will give the link in the description given below. You can check that and watch the video. Okay, next question. President of India, Ramnath Kovind has appointed whom as the 48th Chief Justice of India? Okay, the answer for the question is N.V. Ramana. Okay, N.V. Ramana has been appointed as the 48th Chief Justice of India. Okay, next question. Who has become the first Indian woman sailor to qualify for the Olympics? Okay, the answer is Netra Kumanan. Okay, Netra Kumanan has become the first Indian woman sailor to qualify for the Olympics. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 4. Which railway zone has become the first fully electrified railway zone in India? Okay, the answer is the West Central Railway. Okay, the West Central Railway Zone has become the first fully electrified railway zone in India. Next question. Who has topped the 2021 Forbes annual World's Billionaire list? Okay, the answer is Jeff Bezos. Okay, you have to note on that. Jeff Bezos has topped the 2021 Forbes annual World's Billionaire list. Okay, next question. The Mukti Jodha scholarship scheme is provided to the students of which country by the government of India? Okay, the answer is Bangladesh. Okay, the Mukti Jodha scholarship scheme is provided to the students of Bangladesh by the government of India. Okay, that's the answer for the question. I think it's understood. If you have any doubts, please comment down in the comment section given below. We will discuss that. Okay. Before watching this full video, if you like this video, please click on the like button, and the like aim for this video is only 100. And if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Current Affairs and also enable the bell icon for getting new notifications in our YouTube channel. Okay, let's see the next question. India's biggest floating solar power plant with a capacity of 100 megawatt will be set up in which state of India? Okay, the answer is Telangana. Okay, India's biggest floating solar power plant will be set up in Telangana state with a capacity of 100 megawatts. Okay, next question. When is the International Day of Sport for Development and Peace observed every year? Okay, the answer is 6th April. Okay, the International Day of Sport for Development and Peace is observed annually on 6th April. Next question. Which state has become the first state in the country where each family will get health insurance of rupees 5 lakh each year? Okay, the answer is Rajasthan. Okay, the Rajasthan state has become the first state in the country where each family will get health insurance of rupees 5 lakh every year. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 10. Who has been conferred with the Kalinga Ratna Award for the year 2021? Okay, the answer is Bishwabhushan Harichandan. Okay, Bishwabhushan Harichandan has been conferred with the Kalinga Ratna Award 2021. Okay, next question. Which state government has named Amboli as a biodiversity heritage site? Okay, the answer is Maharashtra. Okay, the Maharashtra state government has named Amboli area as a biodiversity heritage site. Next question. Which state has launched a unique gift scheme to promote COVID vaccination in the state? Okay, the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Okay, the Uttar Pradesh state government has launched a unique gift scheme to promote COVID vaccination in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, let's see next question. Japanese Nobel laureate Isamu Akasaki has passed away recently, and here the question is who he won the Nobel Prize in which field? Okay, the answer is physics. Okay, the Japanese Nobel laureate is Isamu Akasaki, who has passed away recently, was a Nobel and he won the Nobel Prize in physics. Okay, next question. When is the International Day of Conscience observed annually? Okay, the answer is 5th April. Okay, the International Day of Conscience is observed annually on 5th April. Next question. Question number 15. who has been selected for the prestigious Maharashtra Fusion Award for the year 2020? Okay, the answer is Asha Phosle. Okay, Asha Phosle has been selected for the Maharashtra Fusion Award for the year 2020. Okay, let's see next question. Which state has launched iLane, a capacity building and performance tracking application for community health offices? Okay, the answer is Nagaland. Okay, the Nagaland state has launched the iLane, a capacity building and performance tracking application for CHOs. Okay, next question. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Public Enterprises Selection Board or PESB? Okay, the answer is Mallika Srinivasan. Okay, you have to note on that. Mallika Srinivasan has been appointed as the chairperson of PESB. Okay, next question. When was the International Maritime Organization or IMO established? Okay, the answer is 1948. Okay, the International Maritime Organization was established in the year 1948. Next question. Edward Hugger, who has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Okay, the answer is Slovakia. Okay, the Edward Hugger has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Slovakia. Okay, next question, question number 20. Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center or I4C is functioning under which ministry? Okay, the answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center or I4C is functioning under the Ministry of Home Affairs. The Dada Sahib Phalke Award is India's highest award in which field? Okay, the answer is cinema. Okay, the Dada Sahib Phalke Award is the India's highest award in the field of cinema. Okay, let's next question. When is the World Health Day observed annually? Okay, the answer is 7th April. Okay, the World Health Day is observed annually on 7th April. Next question. Which country chaired the meeting of 17th BIMSTEC ministerial meeting? Okay, the answer is Sri Lanka. Okay, you have to note on that. Sri Lanka has chaired the 17th BIMSTEC ministerial meeting. And the next question. Which organization has launched the Sankalp Se Siddhi Village and Digital Connect Drive? Okay, the answer is TRIFE. Okay, TRIFE has launched the Sankalp Se Siddhi Village and Digital Connect Drive. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 25. Where is the headquarters of Central Bureau of Investigation or CBI located? Okay, the answer is New Delhi. Okay, the headquarters of Central Bureau of Investigation is located at New Delhi. Next question. Which organization has developed an advanced shaft technology to safeguard the naval ships against enemy missile attack? Okay, the answer for the question is DRDO. Okay, DRDO is the Defense Research and Development Organization. Okay, DRDO has developed an advanced staff technology to safeguard the naval ships against enemy missile attack. Okay, next question. Who has been appointed as the new Director and Director General of National Council of Applied Economic Research or NCAER? Okay, the answer is Poonam Gupta. Okay, Poonam Gupta has been appointed as the new Director General of NCAER. Okay, let's see next question. What is the theme of World Health Day 2021? Okay, the answer is Building a Fairer Healthier World. Okay, theme for 2021 World Health Day is Building a Fairer Healthier World. Okay, next question, question number 29. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Vietnam? Okay, the answer is Pham Minh Chinh. Okay, Pham Minh Chinh has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Vietnam. Okay, next question, question number 30. Digvijay Singh Sala, who has passed away recently, was the former Union Minister in which ministry? Okay, the answer for the question is Ministry of Environment. Okay, Digvijay Singh Sala, who has passed away recently, was a former Union Minister in the Ministry of Environment. Okay, that's the answer for the question. I think it's understood. If you have any doubts related to any question and its answer, please comment down in the comment section given below. We will discuss that. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 31. What is headquarters of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank or AIIB located? Okay, the answer is Beijing in China. Okay, the headquarters of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is located at Beijing. Okay, next question. The central government has declared a public holiday on April 14, 2021 to commemorate the 113th birth anniversary of which leader? Okay, the answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, the central government has declared to public holiday on April 14, 2021 to commemorate the 113th birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. When is National Maritime Day observed in India? Okay, the answer is 5th April. Okay, the National Maritime Day is observed in India annually on 5th April. Next question. When was the Central Warehousing Corporation or CWC established? Okay, the answer is 1956. Okay, the Central Warehousing Corporation was established in the year 1956. Next question. Spices Board India has signed an MOU, that is Memorandum of Understanding, with which organization to develop blockchain powered traceability interface for Indian spices. Okay, the answer is UNDP. Okay, the Indian board Spices Board India has signed an MOU with the UNDP India. Okay, next question. Which bank has become the co-promoter of Max Life Insurance Company? Okay, the answer is Axis Bank. Okay, the Axis Bank has become the co-promoter of Max Life Insurance Company. Okay, let's see next question. Shikmo, a harvest festival, is mainly celebrated in which Indian state? Okay, the answer is Goa. Okay, Shikmo is a harvest festival celebrated in the state Goa. Okay, next question. Josa Osmani has been appointed as the president of which country? Okay, the answer is Kosovo. Okay, Josa Osmani has been appointed as the new president of Kosovo. Okay, next question. Who has been appointed as the mission director of Adal Innovation Mission or AIM? Okay, the answer is Chintan Vaishnav. Okay, Chintan Vaishnav has been appointed as a mission director of Adal Innovation Mission. Next question. Question number 40. Which ministry has approved the National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021? Okay, the answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Okay, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has approved the National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021. Next question. Fakwadi Singh, who has passed away recently, was the founding member of which political party? Okay, the answer is Samajwadi Party. Okay, the Fakwadi Singh, who has passed away recently, was the founding member of Samajwadi Party. Next question. What is the rank of Mukesh Ambani in the Forbes annual World's Billionaire list for the year 2021? Okay, the answer is 10th. Okay, Mukesh Ambani ranked 10th in the Forbes annual World's Billionaire list for the year 2021. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 43. When is the World Homeopathy Day observed annually? Okay, the answer is 10th April. Okay, the World Homeopathy Day is observed annually on 10th April. And the next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and managing director of SIDBI? Okay, the answer is S. Raman. Okay, S. Raman has been appointed as the new chairman and managing director of SIDBI. Next question. Question number 45. SUPSC is an AI-based portal launched for which organization? And the answer is Supreme Court of India. Okay, the SUPSC is an artificial intelligence based portal launched for the Supreme Court of India. Okay, let's see next question. The Barak nuclear power plant, which started its commercial operation recently, is situated in which country? Okay, the answer is UAE. Okay, the Barak nuclear power plant is situated in the United Arab Emirates and it started its commercial operations recently. Okay, next question. When is the Central Reserve Police Force Valor Day or CRPF Valor Day observed annually? Okay, the answer is 9th April. Okay, the Central Reserve Police Force Valor Day is observed annually on 9th April. Okay, next question. Question number 48. Ohamado Mohamado has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Okay, the answer for the question is Niger. Okay, Ohamado Mohamado has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Niger. Okay, let's next question. Radheshyam Khemka, who has passed away recently, was the president of which organization? Okay, the answer is Gita Press. Okay, Radheshyam Khemka, who has passed away recently, was the president of Gita Press. Okay, let's see next question. Last question, 15th question of the weekly kind of question answer from 5th April 2021 to 11th April 2021. Okay. The last question. When was the Indian National Young Academy of Sciences or INYAS established? Okay, the answer is 2014. Okay, the Indian National Young Academy of Sciences or INYAS was established in the year 2014. Okay, in this video we have discussed about the top 50 important current affairs questions and answers from 5th April 2021 to 11th April 2021. Okay, I think it's understood about the section. If you have any doubts related to any question and its answer, please comment down in the comment section given below. We will discuss that, and you can download the PDF file of this section in our Telegram group, and you can also join our Telegram group for more study materials. Okay, we'll give the link in the description given below. You can check that. And if you're not a subscriber of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Smart Current Affairs, and also enable the bell icon for getting new notifications in our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting us. See you tomorrow with a new video on current affairs and other study topics. Thank you. Bye bye.